Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the refreshing world of Gatorlyte Zero Electrolyte Beverage in the zesty lemon lime flavor. This innovative drink is designed for optimal rehydration, perfect for replenishing fluids and electrolytes lost during intense activities. With a specialized blend of 5 essential electrolytes, sodium, potassium, chloride, magnesium, and calcium, Gatorlyte Zero ensures you stay hydrated and balanced. What sets this beverage apart is its commitment to purity, featuring no artificial sweeteners or flavors, and it delivers all this goodness with zero sugar and just 10 calories per 20-ounce bottle. Whether you're hitting the gym, running a marathon, or just need a hydration boost, Gatorlyte Zero is your go-to choice. So, grab a bottle and experience the clean, crisp taste of lemon lime while keeping your body in perfect harmony. Stay tuned for more exciting product reviews and tips on staying healthy and hydrated. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.